Hello guys, Vanessa Montilla for Burgess Institute. Today we're going to talk about the adverb ya, and I'm going to give you a few tricks to spice up your Spanish. Let's do it. Let's begin with ya, meaning already. When talking about the past, adding ya before the verb emphasizes the sense of a recently finished action. In the same way it would be in English, except that in Spanish you cannot go wrong by saying it all the time, even if it seems that you don't need it. Here are some examples. Ya terminé, I already finished. Ya comí, I already ate. Ya llegué, I already arrived. Ya hice la tarea, I already did my homework. You can see that in all these examples, the action has been already completed in a recent past, maybe right before saying it. In contrast, placing ya before the verb using the present tense makes the action close to now. Let's see some examples. Ya está, it's done. Ya veo, I see now. Ya entiendo, now I understand. Ya estoy aquí, I'm here. When talking about the future, but using the present tense, ya has the meaning of later or soon. Let's see some examples. Ya vengo, I'll be back. Ya casi termino, I'm almost done. Ya no tardo, it won't take long. When using ya with the future tense, it implies a near future. It's uncertain, but it will occur soon. Let's see some examples. Ya veremos, we will see. Ya verás, you'll see. Ya hablaremos, we'll talk later. Ya me contarás, tell me later. Ya also has a negative function when it's followed by no. And the meaning is something like not anymore or no longer. Let's see some examples. Ya no lo quiero, I don't want it anymore. Ya no te amo, I don't love you anymore. Ya no puedo más, I can't take it anymore. One of the most difficult comes when we use todavia and ya, especially when asking questions. Because if ya is in the question, the answer, if it's positive, requires ya. And todavía, if it's negative. Let's see some examples. ¿Ya tienes los boletos? Do you already have the tickets? Positive answer. Sí, ya tengo los boletos. Yes, I already have the tickets. Negative answer. No, todavía no tengo los boletos. No, I still don't have the ticket. Or no, I don't have them yet. On the contrary, if todavía is in the question, a positive answer requires todavía and a negative answer requires ya. Let's see some examples. ¿Todavía vives en la misma casa? Positive answer. Sí, todavía vivo ahí. Yes, I still live there. Negative answer. No, ya no vivo ahí. No, I don't live there anymore. As you can see, ya works either as already in positive or not anymore, negative. The best way of master the adverb ya is memorizing common phrases or common expressions that people say all the time. I'm going to give you a few more. Desde ya, from now on. Para allá, right away. Ya sé, I know. Ya decía yo, that's what I thought. Ya era hora, it's about time. Ya está bien, that's enough. Ya está listo, it is ready. That was all for today, guys. I hope that this video was helpful. If you want to take classes with us, check the link in the description. I will be here next week with more lessons. Ciao!